How to delete your Spotify account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your Spotify account instead of just downgrading the premium membership. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So you have a Spotify account and you have a premium account and that you want to switch to free version, you can do that. But in this video, I'll just show you how you can permanently delete, which means to remove all of your data completely from the Spotify's database. So in order to do that, just go ahead and then launch this Spotify application on your device, and once you launch it, tap on the gear icon which you see at the very top right hand side, which is also the settings icon. Once you do that, you have to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called support. So as you can see, the option called support at the bottom, just tap on it, and as you tap on the support option over here, you can see it says how can we help you. So right over here you can also see the search box. In the search box, you just want to search for a keyword called closing my account. So just go ahead and search for closing your account and you'll see this search result as well. Just tap on it. As you go to closing your account interface, now there are basically two ways to delete it. One is if you have a premium account, and other is if you don't have a premium account. So if you have a premium account, you can tap and close your account next to the got premium button. But if you have a free account, then you can tap and close your account next to the don't have premium option. So just tap and close your account button which you see, and it may or may not ask you to go ahead and then confirm it with your password. So just tap on the close account button that you see. You'll see all of the things that you're going to lose, such as your playlist, your following list, your email, and just tap on the continue button at the bottom. Just tap on the check button which is I understand. Tap on continue button again, and you can see it says check your email to close, which means that you have to verify it with the email address. If you don't receive the email address, you can also try to check it in the spam folder and just confirm the changes. This is done simply to verify that the person trying to delete the account is the owner himself or not. And this is simply it as to how you can go ahead and delete your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.